Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Pointe-Lalonde is a small waterfront area within Rivière-Beaudette, located along the southern edge of Quebec near the Ontario border and the St. Lawrence River. The community is part of the Vaudreuil-Soulanges region, west of Montreal, and is known for a cute residential setting, open water views, and connection to the river. Riviere-Beaudette itself has a population of roughly 2,500 people, giving the area a small town atmosphere shaped by agriculture, transportation, and riverfront living. Pointe-Lalonde reflects the kinder side of the St. Lawrence Valley, where nature and local history remain closely connected. The St. Lawrence River has shaped life in this region for centuries. Long before European settlement, Indigenous peoples traveled and traded along these waterways because the river provided an important route across northeastern North America. French settlers later established farms and small settlements along the river during the 1700s, taking advantage of fertile land and transportation access. Communities such as Riviere-Beaudette developed gradually along the shoreline and nearby roads, creating a landscape defined by farmland, riverside homes, and small village centers. Riviere-Beaudette takes its name from the Beaudette River, a smaller waterway that flows into the St. Lawrence River near the Ontario border. The region became part of the seigneurial system used in New France, where land was divided into long, narrow farms stretching back from the river. This layout allowed settlers to access transportation and water while farming the inland portions of their property. Even today, parts of the countryside surrounding Pointe-Lalonde still reflect this historic land pattern established centuries ago. The area around Pointe-Lalonde remained largely rural throughout much of its history. Farming became the foundation of the local economy, with crops, dairy production, and livestock operations supporting generations of families. Because the community is located close to both Ontario and Montreal, transportation route gradually became more important over time. Railways, highways, and nearby border crossings helped connect the region with larger markets and urban centers while still allowing communities like Rivière-Beaudette to maintain their rural identity. The natural surroundings are one of the defining features of Pointe-Lalonde and nearby Rivière-Beaudette. The St. Lawrence River provides scenic views and opportunities for boating, fishing, and waterfront recreation during the warmer months. The nearby wetlands and shoreline areas also support birdlife and wildlife common throughout the St. Lawrence Valley. Seasonal changes strongly shape the landscape here, from green riverside scenery in summer to colorful autumn leaves and snow-covered shorelines during winter. Because of its location near the Ontario border, the area has long been influenced by both Quebec and Ontario culture. English and French influences can both be seen throughout the surrounding communities, reflecting centuries of settlement and trade along the border region. Nearby highways, including Autoroute 20 and Highway 401 in Ontario, connect the area with major cities such as Montreal, Ottawa, and Toronto. Despite these transportation links, Pointe-Lalonde remains far quieter than the nearby urban centers. Today, Pointe-Lalonde represents the slower pace of life found along quieter sections of the St. Lawrence River. The combination of waterfront scenery, rural surroundings, and historical roots creates an atmosphere very different from the larger cities nearby. Visitors passing through the area experience a landscape shaped by rivers, farming, transportation, and generations of settlement along one of Canada's most important waterways. Thanks for watching!